Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough on the 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. This boat has the white hull side with stainless package, so stainless rub rail adds a very nice and clean contrast to the profile of the boat. Powered by a white 200 horsepower Mercury V6 4-stroke outboard. This motor is amazingly smooth, quiet, and refined, and matches up perfectly with this hull. Looking at the transom, see the water sports tow post. Swim platform is easily accessible from both sides. Very nice pass through into the cockpit. Minimizes the impact on the seating. Storage everywhere on this boat as well. We do have storage under all the cushions. Over on the starboard side, we have an integrated cooler. Back to the port side, easily accessible battery switch. In-floor storage, both in the cockpit and the bow. So taking a look at the L-shaped passenger seating, adds a very spacious layout to the boat. Integrated igloo cooler as well, that is removable. Stainless package also upgrades all your latches and handles to stainless steel. Do have the captain's chairs for both the captain and the passenger. Moving up to the helm, you'll see the Fusion stereo and speakers. Integrated 5-inch Simrad multi-function display. Over to the port side, we'll see our head. Very easy entry. This is a pump out head as well. And last but not least, the very spacious bow seating. Wraparound bolsters for front or aft facing seating. Again, we have the bow and cockpit tables that we can put in if you want to grab a bite to eat, and simply store them back under the rear sun pad, which has a huge amount of storage. We'll check that out very quickly, as we know everybody that comes with us has a bag. That's where the tables store. Very nice gel coated finish with still access to the systems. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-518-1523, so give us a call. Come on and down, see this boat or any of our in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.